relationship between physician and patient ensures better health outcomes and builds trust. Some people in the Dunbar community say they have that now, that Dr. Alyson Sanchious has opened a family practice on Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. WINK News reporter Zoe Warner joins us live to talk about the significance of having a doctor in Dunbar.
Lois, that's right. Dr. Sanchious is filling a gap in the community by offering medical services to patients who might be uninsured or just want to feel seen and heard by their primary care physician. That's why she told me it was necessary to have Thrive Primary Care right here in the heart of Dunbar. Dr. Alyson Sanchious knew from a young age that helping others was in her future, especially since she once needed that help.
I was born and raised in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on the East Coast. And growing up, I had really bad asthma, so I used to go to the doctor a lot. And my mom found a doctor for me, a Black female pediatrician, and I just fell in love with her. She was such a role model for me, and she took very good care of me.
Throughout high school, Dr. Sanchious excelled in math and science and went on to graduate with her bachelor's at the University of Florida. She then completed medical school at Florida State University. After medical school, she did her residency at Lee Health, where she made history as the first African-American resident physician to graduate from their family medicine residency program.
After residency, I worked for 7 years at a local FQHC, which is like a federally qualified health center. I knew ultimately that I wanted to open my own practice, and tons of my patients just were looking forward to me opening a practice and wanted me to open a practice. So I got the opportunity to open up here.
In the heart of Dunbar, Dr. Sanchious officially opened the doors to Thrive Direct Primary Care in May 2025. She specializes in personal primary care, women's health, and comprehensive weight management. Her practice opens the door to patients who don't have insurance or direct access to health care. It's also the first primary care office to operate in the Dunbar community in several years.
My patients love it because they get dedicated time for them. There's no rush, there's no double booking, there's no waiting, 5-10 days to get an appointment. People also feel that I'm very relatable, that they can openly talk to me without being judged, and that I take time to actually explain things to them. And they're the only person in the waiting room. I schedule the appointments 30 minutes to 1 hour, so we take however much time is needed to go over whatever it is that we need to discuss.
Dr. Sanchious hopes her journey will inspire the youth to always follow their dreams.
Believe in yourself. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. Stay committed to your goal. Don't let anyone talk down or negative or talk you out of your dreams. Set your eye on the goal and just achieve it.
And she definitely achieved her goals. Dr. Sanchious tells me she plans to offer more community events throughout Dunbar throughout this year. That'll include free mammogram events and more. Live here in Dunbar, Zoe Warner.